start over. Yo, say me I go through some things and I can't believe it.
Like what?
Watch out. Bad luck abate it now, boy. Watch out, the bus gone. I'm already late for work, you know that. Dog, if me no bad luck, me no know how.
Dog, you too paranoid.
I be a bad luck things are going on. I tell you what, listen.
I want the bumbo clap, man. And what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck for you follow me. I want the bumbo clap, man. And what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck for you follow me. Jano, from what you hear I be a fuckery. Me I wonder if I dope here a bat touch me. Me I walk past a yard and then dog rush me. Me go buy a win for life, a old man fuss me. And a she win the thing. Bumbo clad, reach a me yard now the light it gone. House at air condition can't turn on. Bumbo clad man, what is a one? I want the bumbo clad man, what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck you follow me. I want the bumbo clad man, what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck you follow me. Watch how me hungry like dog, cause my belly a run. I look for food in the fridge, but me no see none. So up on me speed shop, this so me turn. And she want me some money and me need my fun. But to come to find out, fear shop locked down. Me must eat a food before the day done. Go a bakery, go buy all a drink and a bun. And as me swipe it, say insufficient fun. I want the bumbo clap, man. And what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck we a follow me. I want the bumbo clap, man. And what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck we a follow me. This morning big body mama give me your number. I said for call her cause she want the lumber. You know from when that girl let me after me go make mistake and drop my phone in the water. It's just my luck, bumbo class fuck. War professor, that name they sound tough. So how come bad luck just to follow me so much? Me I go tell you this you know God, enough is enough. I want the bumbo clap man, and what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck we a follow me. I want the bumbo clap man, and what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck we a follow me. Bumbo clap man, and what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck we a follow me. I want the bumbo clap man, and what is for me? From what you hear me kinda sort like see. If me show you some things, you woulda agree. Say I be a bad luck fuck we a follow me. Dog, me sort man yo. Watch how me sort. Now show you a thing. Me got the store no dog. Me tell you no dog. Me buy 7. Me buy 9.
Okay.
Me buy 11 and 13. I watch her now. 6, 8, 10 and 12. You know dog. Me say me no start. What you call that?
Dog,
alright then. Alright. We go to the store no dog. Me hungry you know man. Now my last $5 no dog. Last $5 dog. And the man come in the store and rob me and my youth.
I never you the man go for
rob.
I just go into this. I just go into this.
Man, I don't trust what I go on. I'm afraid for you go out the door, dog.
Man, you right about now you're too paranoid, man.
Dog, hear me a sinner, man. I probably get struck by lightning, dog. You turn off the track, you know, because I feel some bad luck to you. Yeah, man, just done it, man.
Buckland.